Hey, Mom.
Yeah,
Wanna help me find some berries?
sure. It's a berry. You okay? I got the berry. Can you, help me up, please?
Hey guys, I got the pie.
Now it's time for the elimination, but first we're going to do the intro. Now for the elimination. First we will say for slime, ring, notebook, CD, and eye patch. Unfortunately, Mr. Money is out. Now get on a train. Hey guys, if you didn't know, this train is about to go off a cliff. The way for you to get out is by getting to the front of the train and jumping off. What are we supposed to do?
He just told you, dum-dum. Wait, where's Lego Brick?
Guys, let's go.
Ring no. Try to win now.
Oh, guys. Start the votes are up for elimination. For who you want to be eliminated, make sure to put it in square brackets.